So today we're going to use Vanish glass cleaner on this 2015 VW Golf. We're going to use it on glass, plastics, chrome, mirrors, and a few other things. I often get asked what towel I use when I clean glass, and there are a variety of towels. It's really good not to use a high pile towel because it could let off some lint. I have a couple options here. There's a low pile towel. It's got a little bit of an edge on it, and then a low pile gray towel with no edge. I like no edges, that way you don't scratch anything. But today I'm gonna use this waffle weave towel because I've got a lot of fingerprints and I feel like it does a great job of removing those. So I'm actually using a Pro bottle. I really like this because I buy my products in gallons or 5 gallons, so you can quickly dilute this 60-1. It also comes in a ready-to-use bottle, so just make sure you're buying the one that you plan on using. So 16 ounce ready to use is about this size, but I really like the look and the feel of the Pro bottle. I like to also spray directly onto the towel, not on the glass. It's really good to go in one direction when you're doing your glass, and I'm going to tell you guys why in a little bit. Tip or trick is to do the inside in one direction, whether it's up and down or side to side, and then do the opposite on the outside, so then when you see a streak you automatically know where it's at, outside or inside, based on the direction that it's going in. Again, I'm going in the opposite direction that I did the inside. If you remember, I did the inside up and down, and on the outside I'm going side to side. And again, the reason being is so if there is a streak, I know exactly where it's at, inside or outside. So again, on the inside, I'm going to do side to side. And just go in and get your top edge before you go back out and do the outside. And then I can put my window back up. So I did the interior. You saw me do the very top by lowering my glass a little bit. And the reason being is no matter how clean your car is, if you're cleaning it outside, especially in Arizona, you can get a quick little dust line right here, which is why I'm doing the exterior last. Again, going in the opposite direction that I did it on the inside. Switching up to this gray towel. It's always good as a finishing touch after you wash the vehicle to hit it with Vanish on your glass, your mirrors, your chrome, anywhere where you get some watermarks. It's a nice little final touch. Obviously, no matter what, when you open your car door, you got kids, whatever, there's always gonna be fingerprints on the outside. So we're gonna go ahead and hit this pillar with some Vanish. There's a little bit of watermarks from drying the vehicle off, just a little runoff. This is actually a yellow PPF. So the good thing about Vanish is it's safe on all surfaces. It's not harsh at all, but it's strong enough to get off those bug guts and road debris. Look at that, it's beautiful. So now I'm gonna actually tackle the interior here with some Vanish, but I'm switching up my towels to an extra plush towel. We have anywhere between 500 and 600 GSM. I'm gonna do my LCD screen. You don't want to use a harsh towel on those because you can scratch it, but it's probably got the most fingerprints on it besides the door panels and your steering wheel. A little bit of piano black on there too, so at least this towel will be nice and soft. Beautiful. You can also go in and do your gauges, the piano black around your steering wheel if you have it, and then all of your mirrors. So I'm gonna tackle that now. Boost gauge. And it's safe enough if you get it on your leather or vinyl. It's not too harsh, it's gonna ruin or anything like that. If anything, it'll clean it up real nice. This is how I use Vanish glass cleaner. I really love this because it's ammonia free, safe for window tint, as you saw, safe on my PPF on my headlights, safe enough to use on your gauges, your piano black, your LCD screen, and then obviously strong enough to use on the exterior. Be sure to come back regularly as we always do these really cool product videos, tips and tricks. See you next time.